This is an update to our Netflix put option idea. I did purchase a few put options yesterday before the close. This is the opening half hour of this morning's session. You can see a big red candle and a nice dip here. I was actually fortunate enough to sell those put options somewhere in this range here for a nice, it was a 50% gain since yesterday. I was actually down on the last 10 minutes of the close yesterday, so I only netted a profit of about 30%. But nonetheless, it was a good decision to sell there because it was fairly strong, if you will, throughout the rest of the day. But I am more bearish on this stock today than I was last night. You can see the price action here. This is the 1 hour chart. Each candle is going to be 1 hour. Look at this RSI. It looks terrible. It looks absolutely terrible. We have a, a row of higher, maybe not higher highs, definitely a higher high here. We can use this candle right here. This is the 230 candle. We have a high of 323. Look where this strength correlates to in comparison to this candle at 315. Strong, higher in price by, geez, by like 4%. And look how weak we are on the RSI. If we go to the 2 hour chart, this looks terrible. This looks so bad. Look at the Stochc RSI. It is literally collapsing down. We have a high here, right here, that correlates to a price of, again, 315, and we're lower again in strength, even though we're higher in price. That's pretty bearish. This looks terrible. The 3 hour chart, let's see if we can see it again. What is this? Try to get rid of that. Let's see if we can see it again here. I guess it's forming the lower low right here. So the 3 hour chart is just starting to form the lower low here, even though we have a higher price. You can see the curling down on the Stochc RSI. The 4 hour, we're probably not going to see it yet, and we'd probably want to see this bearish divergence on the 4 hour chart before we truly short this stock or buy our puts. But I'm fairly confident that we're going to see a red day tomorrow. Look at this topped out Stochc RSI there. Um, so basically the message for tonight is that I'm even more bearish on this stock than I was last night, and I was able to lock in a 30% gain on the drop in the morning. I don't think if we get a significant drop in the morning tomorrow, I don't think I'm going to close too quickly. Um, let's look at the 4 hour chart again here and find out where we really want to short this thing too. So this is our fib level from the beginning of the uptrend here. If we want to count waves, this looks like, if we really want to count waves, we could do maybe something like this, 3, 4, just right above wave 1, and a huge fifth wave there. It's pretty sick. It's really nice for anyone who caught this wave up. But anyways, we should be due for a pullback. Where would we pull back to? This kind of seems logical right here, right on the moving average. So might get some support right on here, which is 310. That's a pretty solid number. I kind of see us doing something like this, maybe to 310, up again, maybe down to 300, back to like 308, and right about there, 277. That's just a theoretical retracement. We do have earnings for Netflix next Friday, so that's going to be an interesting catalyst, either up or down, depending on what they say or where we're at in terms of strength and volatility in the overall market. But at least going into tomorrow, I am staying very bearish on this stock, and I think we see some solid down movement tomorrow and Friday.